Hi everyone, this is your host Steve. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. And in this video, we will be assembling Agora Model's GT500 Shelby Super Snake. And this time, issue 3 from pack 1, we will be finishing up the left driver's door, installing the window and the hinge assembly. I'll be right back.
Interesting thing about testing out high-performance automobiles is you can only do it with top drivers who can take the cars right up to the maximum.
Welcome back. Here's stage 3 parts. This would be the driver's glass and trim, along with the door hinge, and some MD5 screws along with some MD6 screws. Of course, the door trim and glass is made out of plastic, very nice chrome plated around that edge there. And our door hinge here, this part is made of metal, the black part is plastic, and of course there's our screws. Step 3 has 2 steps. And the first step is to install the window and window frame. We'll be using 3 MD05 screws. And we got our door here. Same as before, I'm going to go ahead and put a washcloth down to protect our finish. I'm going to turn this over along with the window. And it simply lines up with 3 of the holes there. As you can see, I'm going to put a little bit of lubricant on those to help me out. Just like that. MD05 screws are kind of small. But we'll just get them all started for now. There's one. I lubricated them because they're cutting into metal. I'm going to hold it up a little because I don't want to break the mirror. There's one. A little more power with my right hand. And one more. Tighten this down. And she is tight. Turn it over and have a look. Looks really nice. Turn it back over because next we will do the door hinge. We have 4 steps with the door hinge. Put in the metal bracket first. That just slides into the notch right there. Then we'll put the black plastic cover on top. And then we'll put in the screws, which should be the MD6 screws, and we get 2 of those. It might be just one that we install. Alright, so we have a little tab that sticks out on top here. It sticks out on top. You don't have it on the other side. That's going to go in the up direction, just like that. And that's the way our hinge looks. Then we'll take our plastic bit here. And before I put it in, I'm going to once again put some lubrication on there for the metal screw. Makes it a lot easier. And I think I'll put some lubrication in here too. In the hinge area. That's good. Put the plastic bit down on top. Slides in just like that. And we put our MD6 screw in. Fairly large screw. Want to protect that mirror so we don't break it. And there we go. And you can see it kind of has a snapping finish to it like that when it moves. And there you have it. We have completed Stage 3. This was a lot of fun. It's looking really good. If you like what you see, please subscribe to Agora Models. I put a link down in the description. You will not regret it. It's going to be a fantastic build. This thing is going to be huge. You can see a 1/38 scale die cast compared to this 1/8 scale. Wow, it's going to be huge. With that, happy modeling everybody. Take care.